Hi, I'm Blazen the Dragon. Welcome to Blazen's Basement Bar. Like I said, my name's Blazen the Dragon. I'm your host, and this is Bartending with Blazen. And boy, it's been a minute, and we're in a completely different area now. As you know, we moved, and this is the new bar. And boy, howdy, is it much nicer. We actually got like some cute little signs and everything. We got the little Guinnessburg, and we got like some local breweries here. So yeah, this bar's it's coming along. But hey, we're here to kick off a new series of Blazen Basement Bar with our brand new location. So heck yeah, I'm ready to get the ball rolling. Oh, while we're speaking of our wall decorations, well, shout out to Gail for giving a little dragon here. We gotta get a little dragon representation up here. So thanks, Gail Frostbane, for sending that over. You guys can send more stuff with this address right here. It's our P.O. box. It's not our real address. Don't look up our address, please. Thanks. Today, we're actually gonna be making a drink that I actually have been experimenting with. I don't know if it's actually a legitimate drink, but I tried it before while I was bored at my job one day, and I was like, wow, this is good. Today I'm actually calling it the PB&J. If you're allergic, don't. If you're allergic to peanuts, this probably isn't a good drink for you. You got Screwball peanut butter whiskey, and then you're gonna use Chambord black raspberry liqueur. Real good. And then this is the last ingredient, and it might turn some people away, but I promise you it's real good. You need egg white. So this is some egg white right here. I already pre-cracked it because I don't want to deal with that process. We just got one egg white. You gotta crack that and separate it. Turn it into egg whites. It's real good. I promise you. The purpose of the egg white is to make it a creamy drink. Sounds weird, I know, but trust me on this one, it is very good.
A quick question from the audience.
Yeah.
Is the egg white, can I taste it? Is it gonna taste like breakfast?
No. So it's not gonna be like your good old scrambled eggs. No, the egg white is literally just a texture effect. It's just to make it more of a creamy drink, and you'll understand why when you blend these two ingredients together. Let's go ahead and get in the process with that. First thing you're gonna need, make sure you have your glassware. Make sure you have your ingredients. And you gotta have yourself a shaker. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna get the liquor in there. So we're gonna do 2 parts Screwball peanut butter whiskey. I lost the lid somewhere. It fell on the ground. So we're not gonna cap that. And then we're gonna do 1 part Chambord. Oh, I totally missed. I totally missed that one.
And that's why we have spill mats.
Yeah. Now, you're gonna have the egg white. We're not adding any ice yet. You need to shake the egg white first. Very important for the aeration process. So, we're gonna get the lid wherever I put it. We're doing great. Oh my gosh. Right here. It's been a hot minute, folks. I promise I had nothing before this. Alright. So, you do the shaking process, that way you get the good aeration with the egg white. Very important. Otherwise, it's not going to do good. Cool. Then, because we got the aeration process in. Ooh, that smells so good. Smells like straight up peanut butter right now. You gotta get a few ice cubes in there so we can get it cooled down a bit. And while we do that too, we're gonna go ahead and get the big ice cube in. Yeah. One more time to shake. This time we're doing it to get it cold. Now comes the fun part. So you gotta double strain it. The double straining is gonna give it the nice visual effect. Yeah, there we go. And it's really simple. It's nice PB&J, so it's gonna taste, literally in the name, it's gonna taste like a peanut butter jelly sandwich. It's real good, nice creamy, and just a really easy drink actually. So it may look complicated, but in reality, it's such an easy drink, and it's definitely all liquor. It's all liquor. The only thing that's not liquor is the egg white.
That one's for me, right?
Yeah, do you like peanut butter and jelly?
Yes.
Are you allergic to peanuts?
No.
Oh.
So I think that might have my name on it.
I think it has your name
Here,
on it.
I'll go ahead and take it.
Where?
Ooh,
There you
right
go.
into the camera.
Oh, wow. Yeah, perfect. Awesome. And now we're gonna...
Oh my gosh, yeah, that is...
Yeah?
Yeah, I did the screwball whiskey once.
Yeah,
I didn't care for it.
right.
But this is much better.
Yeah.
It tastes like bread.
Yeah, it tastes like peanut butter jelly.
Yeah, it tastes like an Uncrustable.
Yeah, I know. That's exactly what I was going for. And there you got it. You got the PB&J. What's it got? It's got screwball peanut butter whiskey. And then you got Chambord black raspberry liqueur. So there's your peanut butter, there's your jelly. But you gotta make sure to put that egg white in to make that creamy effect. And it's really good. Nice, simple drink, but don't let it fool you because it's a sipper. Now remember, like always, make sure you drink responsibly. You're of age and wherever you reside. And like we always say here, help someone smile today. Party on, Garth.
Party on, Wayne.
I'm glad you knew the reference.
Glad I said it right. I wasn't prepared for that one.
I know, right?
That would slap on Laserdisc.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna order it.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, I'm gonna go order it.
Peanut butter. It's peanut butter. It tastes like an Uncrustable.
Yeah.
It really does.
It's so good.
It's so good. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we gotta get that on Laserdisc. That's such a good one.
Yeah.
Ow. Did you hear my ankle crack?
Yeah, that was loud.